Good morning, children. Namaste. My name is Megha. I'll teach you science. Children, do not rub your eyes. Do not touch your nose or mouth while watching videos. Do not forget to wash your hands frequently. Come on, let's start today's session. Children, look at the screen. You will find three different chairs. They are made of different materials like wood, iron, and plastic. So today's our lesson is synthetic material. In this lesson, we will learn about materials. Children, before we start the session, let's learn new words. Materials. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L-S. Materials. Synthetic. S-Y-N-T-H-E-T-I-C. Synthetic. Petroleum. P-E-T-R-O-L-E-U-M. Petroleum. Crude. C-R-U-D-E. Crude. Non-biodegradable. N-O-N. Non. B-I-O-D-E-G-R-A-D-A-B-L-E. Non-biodegradable. Resistance. R-E-S-I-S-T-A-N-C-E. Resistance. Electricity. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y. Electricity. Children, learn and copy these words in your classwork. Let us try to learn what is a material. A material is a substance from which things can be made. Example, wood, metal, plastic, glass, etc. Look at the picture, children. The rolling pin is made of which material? Wood. Bows are made of which material? Glass. Utensils, these are made of metal. Materials are of two types: natural material and synthetic material. Natural materials. Materials that occur naturally are called natural materials. For example, cotton, wood, metals like gold, silver, we get it from the nature. So these materials are called natural materials. Synthetic materials. Materials which are made by combining chemicals are called synthetic materials. Example, plastic, steel, nylon, etc. So what are the two types of materials there? Natural and synthetic. Natural materials occur naturally and synthetic material are made by combining chemicals. Look at the picture, children. You find many things which are made of plastic. Now you might be wondering from where this plastic comes from. Yes, this is a black color liquid or black color oil. This is called as crude petroleum oil. So you might be wondering why teacher has introduced crude petroleum oil. Actually, our plastics are made from this crude petroleum oil. So what are plastic made from? Plastics are made from crude petroleum oil. Children, let us try to understand advantages of plastic. Plastic can be hard as an electric switch or soft and flexible as in wraps and bags. So around us, you find some plastic objects are very hard, very strong, For example, electric switch, plastic chairs, plastic tables. And you will find some plastic items are very soft and flexible. Flexible means what? Easy to bend. Like you can see the picture, plastic wraps. Plastic lasts long and do not wear out easily. Means they are very durable and will not get damaged easily. Plastics are low cost and lightweight. Means plastics are cheap and they are light in weight. You can easily lift a plastic chair as it is light in weight. It is easy to mold into different shapes by heating. So plastic can be molded into various shapes by applying heat and pressure. They do not rust, rot or decay. Means they will not get mixed into the soil. Rot or decay means what? Do not get mixed into the soil. They do not rust. They will not be affected due to moisture. A few type of plastic are resistant to heat. Means they can bear high temperature. Here, this type of plastics are used in electric kettles and parts of aircraft. Even you can see here a picture of vaporizer where this type of plastic is resistant to heat. Let us try to understand one more interesting advantage of plastic is resistant to electricity. Means it will not affected by electricity. You can see the picture of wire. Here this is a copper wire. It is covered with plastic. Here plastic acts as an insulator. Insulator means the substance which will not allow the electricity or heat to pass through them. Okay. Plastic do not soak moisture. Means they are waterproof. That's why our raincoats are specially made of plastic. Children, as coins has two sides, plastics have advantages as well as disadvantages too. Plastic is non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means it will not get mixed into the soil. If any plastic object or plastic things are kept in the soil, they remain as it is for many years. They do not get mixed into the soil. Burning plastic releases harmful chemicals which causes air pollution. As plastic is made by combining different chemicals, so when you burn them, it releases very harmful gases and which causes air pollution. Even plastic affect the fertility of soil and health of aquatic life. Look at the picture, children. You can see this land is completely filled with plastic bags. So ultimately it will stop the flow of water and this land is not suitable to grow the crops. Even it affects the health of aquatic life like fish, many kinds of aquatic animals get affected due to plastic. Oh my God, look at this picture. You can see a drainage. What happened to this drainage? Discarded plastic object block drains and pipes. So the plastic, use and throw plastic items or the broken plastic items, when they will block the flow of water and it causes many diseases like the water gets stagnant, the mosquitoes start breeding and the drainage will not, that water cannot flow easily. Look at this. When animals eat plastic bags from garbage, their digestive tract get blocked, can also choke to death. You can see in the picture here is a complete garbage. Animal doesn't know that what they are eating, right? So while eating, sometimes along with some food, they will eat plastic bags too, right? And what happened to this plastic bag? It get stuck into their digestive tract and it may choke to death. So what do you understand, children, that plastic is very harmful, right? So this picture is enough for you to understand what are the disadvantages of plastic. It litters the landscape, kills animals, and it's a non-biodegradable. So children, try to avoid the use of plastic bag. So instead of plastic bag, we can use jute bags, paper bags, and which ultimately help us to keep our surrounding clean. Now, very most important thing for you all. Do not use plastic container for heating food in microwave ovens for more than 2 minutes. Why we should not use plastic container? As some chemicals from plastic can enter food and harm us in long run. So well children, today we have discussed about plastic. Plastic is made from crude petroleum oil. Then we discussed about advantages and disadvantages of plastic. Read lesson and solve the given worksheet.